In this video, I will show you how to use your own photo as a custom theme in Messenger. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. I am going to show you two different methods to use your own image as a custom Messenger theme. So make sure you watch till the end to avoid missing any important steps. So let's begin. First, open your Google Play Store or App Store app and make sure your Messenger app is updated to the latest version, because the custom theme feature only appears in new versions. Now open your mobile settings. Now find the apps option. Here search for Messenger. Now tap on storage option. From here, clear your Messenger app data. Now go back and tap on permissions. Allow the photo and videos permission. Now open the chat where you want to apply the custom theme. Here tap on the profile icon at the top or the I button depending on your device. Inside the chat settings, tap on theme. You will see all the default Messenger themes, but now there is a new option called upload an image. Tap on it. Now pick the photo you want. It can be your picture, aesthetic wallpaper, enemy background or couple photo, or anything you like. Set the image according to your preference. Now tap on select. Your Messenger chat will instantly change and your uploaded image will appear as the new theme. This works for both Android and iPhone. If it's not working for you, then follow my second method. Here open Play Store and search for Messenger and come to this page. Here tap on this join button. Then again click join. After joining the beta test program, you will get a new update within 24 hours. When you get an update, update your Messenger. After updating the Messenger, the custom theme option should be appear in your Messenger. If the custom theme option hasn't appeared in your Messenger yet, don't worry, just wait a few days. The feature is rolling out gradually and it will show up in your account soon. This is how you can easily set your own picture as a custom Messenger theme. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment your questions and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.